Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. I hope you are doing fantastic. In this video, I am going to show you how I use my new air fryer from Amazon to make a delicious, quick, and easy dinner for my family. Then I'm gonna be decorating my console table, my bar cart, and I'm gonna show you how I keep my family dining area. As I mentioned, it is from Amazon by Dreo. This is my second product from Dreo. I really like their product. This is my first air fryer, you guys. I don't really know what to expect, but I'm really excited to see what it has to offer. As you can see, it is LED. Everything is labeled pretty nicely and really cute. So let's get cooking. The product requires that I warm it up for 15 minutes before the first use. I already did that. Right now I'm giving it a quick wash before I start cooking. The first thing that I'm gonna be making in the air fryer is some chicken wings. Yes, I do clean up my chicken before I cook it. I'm using white vinegar, lemon and lime and some salt to get it clean. Then I'm gonna pat down my chicken with a paper towel to remove all excess water. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of pepper. Then I'm gonna add some oil. I'm using olive. I make a cocktail seasoning for my chicken, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, mustard, turmeric, a little bit of Maggi, and cayenne pepper. Once I'm done seasoning my chicken, I'm gonna put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna warm up my air fryer for 3 minutes before I start cooking my chicken. I'm also gonna coat the rack with a little bit of olive oil. I put the chicken in for 15 minutes at 385 degrees. It has been 7 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and turn them. I'm gonna let you hear the noise for the air fryer. It's not bad at all. Like I mentioned, I don't have anything to compare it with, but so far it's not bad. It came with a recipe book that was pretty cool. It has a 100 days money back guaranteed, 5 years warranty. I had to give it an extra 5 minutes to get it as crispy as I like it, but so far so good. Next, I'm gonna be making some vegetable. I added a little bit of adobo powder and some pepper and salt and a little bit of olive oil, and that's it. This time we're gonna do 10 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And boom, just like that, I make dinner for the family. Super duper easy and quick and delicious. As you can see, somebody, or should I say everybody, really enjoyed it. Now, I am a big fan of air fryer. I'm definitely gonna purchase another one so I can have two. Let me know of your experience if you have used air fryer before. The link for the air fryer is in the description box, including the link for the Dreo website. They really have some really nice gadgets for your home. This is my everyday dining table for those of you who are new. Normally, I don't do much. Most of the time when I do something is for you guys, but I still have to keep it neat and stylish because when the front door is open, that is the first thing that say hello from a far distance in the house. Candles on the table, I think they do exactly what I wanted them to do. They are stylish, they make a statement, but they're not disrupting the family from using the table. And just to jazz things up a little bit, I'm gonna add some pillows on the chairs. They are from Home Goods. Last time when I did a video in this room, many of you complained that I did not say where the things came from. Just because I cannot keep saying all the time where the furniture came from, it would be a little bit redundant to the people who has been here for a long time. Alright, these candle orbs are from Home Goods and the candle inside of them are from the dollar store. The blue vase is from Home Goods and the flowers, you already know, they are from Hobby Lobby. And the S table, I got it from Wayfair. Discontinued, but something that I realized, sometimes something would be discontinued on one side and available on another site. I'm gonna keep my eyes open. If I spot it out, I will let you guys know. My dining table is from Wayfair and the chairs are from Overstock. Before I start with the bar cart, let me take a moment to welcome all of you who are here for the first time. I upload glam home decor, cleaning and DIY videos, but in this video we are doing a little bit of cooking. We experiment from time to time with something new. If you are into these things, please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. Big thank you to all of you, my Glam Squad, for stopping by today. Since it's getting a little bit warmer, I thought I would make some fun drinks for my family to display on the bar cart.
Conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time.
I'm using papaya and strawberry. These are some of our favorite fruits. I purchased the tray from Amazon.
You're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. With his humble acting, everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie.
The bar cart is from Amazon. This is a charger plate. I'm using it as a tray. You can get it from Amazon as well. Down there, I'm having 2 drinks and some champagne glasses. You can also find on Amazon, Home Goods. On the top of the bar cart, of course, I'm gonna have the drinks. And then on the side, I have my crystal pyramids from Home Goods. Super duper cute vase from Amazon. I am so in love with these vases. And some green leaves, eucalyptus, also from Amazon. So yes, you guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend and a family member. My goal is to get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year. You already know I'm not gonna be able to do it without you. I need you to subscribe, share, to help me reach my goal. Of course, the links for everything that I purchased from Amazon will be in the description box, including the link for the air fryer. Thanks for stopping by today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. I love you always.
Hold up,
bye-bye.
baby. I can sit beside